speaker. Hello.
Hi, Chen. This is Jarvis from Apex Auto Garage. How have you been? Do you have a quick 5 minutes to chat?
Yes.
Thanks, Chen. I'm reaching out because you visited us last time for service. We're
Yes.
offering a free tire pressure and brake check for returning
Oh.
customers until July 31st, 2025. Would
Okay
you be
then.
open to stopping by this week or next for a quick 30-minute checkup?
Yes, I will.
Great. Do you have a day and time this week or next that works best for you? We'll make sure to get you in for your free inspection.
Okay. So like the best time will be like tomorrow afternoon, like 6 p.m. Will that work?
Let me quickly check if we have an opening tomorrow at 6 p.m. for you.
Okay.
1 moment, please.
Okay.
It looks like we don't have any openings tomorrow at 6 p.m. The closest available times are tomorrow from 9 p.m. to midnight, or early morning the next day.
9
Would
p.m.
any of those times work for you, or would you like to try another day or
Yes.
time?
9:30 available. Is 9:30 available?
Let me check if 9:30 p.m. tomorrow is available for your inspection. Yes, 9:30 p.m. tomorrow is available for your inspection.
Okay.
May I have your full name to confirm the appointment?
Yes, it's Shaik, Shaiq.
Thank you, Sheikha. Could you please provide your email address to complete the booking?
Yes, email address is shshaikahmed33@gmail.com.
Thank you, Sheikh. Just to confirm, your appointment will be tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes.
Booking your appointment for tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. now. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Sheikh. Thanks again. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Thanks. Bye. So guys, this was our AI agent. As you can see, it's like acting like pretty like human. Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how can you create an AI voice agent in Retell and just automate it with anything. So this is the AI agent that I have been talking about. So this is pretty simple 3 node agent. We will go into detail what is happening in all the nodes, but before that you have to get some basic information about N10. What is N10? N10 is actually a no code or low code tool where you can create multiple agents. So if you know the basics of N10, you can pretty much create everything inside N10. So the second tool for the main voice agent that we have to build is Retell AI. So I will give the link in description uh, from where you can create you can go to Retell AI and just sign up. On signing up, the Retell is giving like $10 to like every new account, which is like enough for creating testing an AI agent. But if you are working with clients or businesses, you must have to like put or like buy their plan. So now we are in the dashboard of the Retell. Now what you have to do, you have to create an agent and a voice agent, and here you have to like go to the single prompt agent and just create the one. So today we are creating an AI agent for like a garage, where the garage will get a the customer will get a call and like um, they will be called that there is a new like it will just confirm that you came for like blah blah thing and confirm it, and will give a offer of like you can access like free oil change if you can come under like 30 30 in 2 weeks. So I have like a prompt set up here, um, which you can access again in the description. So I am just copy it from here. So just save it, and now you just have to give it a role. Like here you are Jarvis, a virtual artificial assistant for Apex Auto Garage based in San Francisco. Now the caller information, this is like the information that it will get from the N10 and like the sheets. So task is here either. So like shit, my mic. You are a calling returning customer who previously visited our garage. Your job is to let them know about a free brake and tire inspection available until 31 July. So you can set up the prompt for uh, other businesses or clients from where you have been working. Just gonna save it. And now let's get in the function. So the first function that we are going to add is end call. This allow the AI agent to end the call if the um, if the human on the other side of the phone isn't answering or like get blank. And now the second function, we have to go and check the calendar availability, so that if the calendar available for the appointment that the user like demanded that I will come here on this date, so then the AI agent will check the if that slot is like free or it is already appointed for that. We are gonna use call AI. The link will be in the description where you can sign up. This is like a free tool, free software. And if you can, you could create a new calendar, and here should you could give the description, but I am for the demo using their given one. Now in the URL, as you can see, there is like specific numbers, so you have to copy that. And in the event type id cal.com, just paste it here. And now for the API key, what you have to do is go to the settings and API key. And here I have already generated an API key, as you can see, and then voice agent. Now you have to create add new one and just give it a name, and it will be created. So I'm just gonna put my AI API key. So yeah, I have just put my API key here. And for the time zone, it is optional, the AI could but you have to put the time zone of yours. So I am just gonna leave it default and just save it. So our function has been. So this is the next function, transfer call. So it allows the AI agent so like to like transfer the call to like a human. If the client on the other side, um, or if the client on the other side like ask the our AI agent that isn't in its knowledge. So then the AI agent will use the transfer call function. So it's pretty like basic, so you can add it on your own. Just set up the number and everything, and you're good to go. And for the next, we have to book an appointment. So here book on the calendar cal.com. So here it is the same thing from the above, so you have to just put it up and just you will be good to go. And now let's go to the settings. Knowledge base, you can add like the company's website for which you are building an a voice agent. So there will be some kind of extra knowledge to the AI agent to understand. Now for the speech setting, it's pretty like good, so we are not going to describe it. And real-time transcription setting, this will like it is like good only for you have to like you don't have to like really disturb this. But in the call setting, uh, what you have to do is, yes, here and call on silence. So it is 10 minutes. 10 minutes is like too much, so you have to just get it to 30 second and max call duration. So in my AI agent and voice agent, uh, the maximum time that could go is like 5 minutes, but the like the normal will like go 2 minutes, 3 minutes max. And now the post call AI agent, we don't have to do anything with that. Yes, and yeah, everything is up. But for the most important thing, webhook setting, so keep it blank. We are gonna put something here. If you like wanted to transcribe, I will like tell you what you have to do. Now everything is set it up. Now let's go to and yeah, so like I am here in the N10 and so like I am open sourcing. I am using the N10 in Docker, which is like a free alternative of using it. As you can see, I told you before that it is open source, and I am using Docker to access N10 inside my own computer. So actually, this is paid. I am just gonna show you. It is like 20 for the starter pack, 50 for the and for the business it is like pretty expensive. It could go over the $700 per month. So like yeah, it's pretty expensive, but in that starter pack you it's like just 20 pound, but it is also open source. So like you could like just clone the GitHub repository and run it as so there are like more than 1,000 videos on the YouTube and internet of how you can use and for free Docker tutorial. Just search something like it and many videos will come out. And now but for the most important thing is making the internet public. So I am like how can you make the internet public? So like just I'm gonna explain it to you. Like um, so as in Docker, your the internet cannot access your uh, local host. So that's why many like services or nodes can't work. Like the WhatsApp trigger will not work, the Telegram trigger will not trigger won't work, and also the webhook trigger will not work. So before doing this you have to like set that up. It's like 1 to 2 hour process, not that much. But before doing but I expect that if you like click on this video, you must know what and what's webhook trigger. You have to like know the basics before building an AI voice agent. So yes, so this is the workflow that I have built. It's like pretty easy workflow. Now only a 3 node step. So like now like I'm just gonna build it live. So what the first step is, just go to the plus icon. Well, wait, like I'm gonna open it in new tab and like so if you like set it up, so this will be the interface that you will face. And just go to create workflow, and after creating the workflow, as you can see, this is like the interface of the N10. It's like pretty basic. Anyone can like do this. And now go to the plus icon and just click trigger manually. So like this is the first step, adding a trigger in the N10. After that just add the sheets. And like this is a Google sheet, so you can connect multiple like credentials in like the sheet. So what you have to choose the get rows in sheets. So after this, so the credentials, you can also search the YouTube for the how can you connect the credentials. In and Google Sheets, just type something like this and many videos will come up. So I have just already connected my credentials. And now for the document, I like just build a pretty simple. So like this is the field. So how I have set this up is like just add the name, email, phone number, last visit details. So here I am just put my demo, anything, email, blah 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 blah, etc. And so I've set it up like this. Like when in a garage, when any lead is being stored in like online system, especially in Google Sheets, so whenever they store it and they just run this automation which we are building, so they could like get a cold call, basically a cold call voice agent to like the customer that like is put it in the Google Sheets, and they could get a cold call and like increase their revenue, as if they give the customer an offer, then most probably the chances it will come back, they will come back. So this is a pretty good idea to pitch to the business or mostly the garage. So you can build this yourself, um, or I will just give it to you in the template. Actually, this isn't even the proper template. This is like 3 note step. So what I have just gonna do is just to choose the sheet one, and yes, it is pretty much, and then like I'm gonna execute the workflow, and yes, our workflow has been executed, and you can see here name is coming, email, phone number, last visit, and Mercedes details is Mercedes to C200 for an oil change. And now after this, what you have to do is just go to click the plus icon and just search HTTP. So from here we will like call the call our AI agent, so I have like just make the demo of this like here where I can show you. So hit it, the post method will be the post, and URL I will just give you the URL in the description, so you can just copy it from there. And now for the authentication, do the generic type, and here the header auth, no, not the header auth, I think, wait, let me see, not the header auth, it's like custom auth. Yes, in the custom auth, just create new credentials, and here what you have to do, like I can show you here. The JSON will be like header author, it will also be given in the, and for the API key authorization, so what you have to do is bearer, then give the space and their API key. So where you can get the API key is coming into the Retell, and what you do, go to the settings and API keys, and in the API keys I have, you can see I have already generated an API key. So you have to go to add, click, and do the add click, and then do the continue, and you will get access to your API key. But don't share this with anyone, because this is like personal access token, and if anyone gets the access to the API key, like it can really access like to your whole AI agents, all the AI agents that you have built. So this is pretty important. And now what you have to do is do the send body, and specific body type will be JSON. So I'm just gonna put it JSON. And now for the body, I will also give you the this will be actually everything will be in description, so you make sure you check it out. And now for the override a agent ID, as you can see on your screen, so where you can get the a agent ID is go to the agent, and the a agent that we just built is this single prompt agent. I haven't given it a name yet, but you can also give it a name. And you can see here AI agent ID, you just have to copy the ID of this and just paste it in the override AI agent ID. Yes. And now for the phone number, this is like a very important step. So I have like added my phone number. So if you are coming here for the first time, so as you can see here, it is given like make an outbound call. But first, if you're first time using Retell, there will be a verification process of like you just have to like put like your ID card, or if you are like under 18, just put your parents ID card. So I have been using Twilio number, which is a like pretty good website, and I have actually, this is a very long process and I actually don't have time. It's like 1:30 a.m. in like the midnight. So this is the video of like Lakshit Ukhani, AI agent, AI automation. So you can just search it up, or like yes, you have to search it up onto the YouTube, and just will see this video. This man like explains it very easily, which make it very easy. This is like 9 minutes to 10 minutes process, so like this will be very easy. And look at this. So I am renting out a number, and Twilio also gives you like $15 in like credits. But this is pretty important to understand that the Retell will only work in the verified app, verified numbers. So if you like want to work with clients, obviously, which you do want to work with clients, you have to like buy a like real number or something like that, or just buy a sim and just add that number over here. So I am like just gonna copy my phone number from here, and like in like and then just paste it as I actually pasted it. And now everything has been set now. So this is my phone. Now if I run this, we should get a call over here. Yes, so like we should like get a call. I am just clicking the execute step. Okay, the step has been executed, and now we should, yes. So you can see our AI agent is calling us. So like just like put it here, speaker. Hello.
Hi, Chen. This is Jarvis from Apex Auto Garage. How have you been? Do you have a quick 5 minutes to chat?
Yes.
Thanks, Chen. I'm reaching out because you visited us last time for service. We're
Yes.
offering a free tire pressure and brake check for returning customers until July 31st, 2025. Would you
Okay
be
then.
open to stopping by this week or next for a quick 30-minute checkup?
Yes, I will.
Great. Do you have a day and time this week or next that works best for you? We'll make sure to get you in for your free inspection.
Okay. So like the best time will be like tomorrow afternoon, like 6 p.m. Will that work?
Let me quickly check if we have an opening tomorrow at 6 p.m. for you.
Okay.
1 moment, please.
Okay.
It looks like we don't have any openings tomorrow at 6 p.m. The closest available times are tomorrow from 9 p.m. to midnight, or early morning the next day.
9
Would
p.m.
any of those times work for you, or would you like to try another day or
Yes.
time?
9:30 available. Is 9:30 available?
Let me check if 9:30 p.m. tomorrow is available for your inspection. Yes, 9:30 p.m. tomorrow is available for your inspection.
Okay.
May I have your full name to confirm the appointment?
Yes, it's Shaik, Shaiq.
Thank you, Sheikha. Could you please provide your email address to complete the booking?
Yes, email address is shshaikahmed33@gmail.com.
Thank you, Sheikh. Just to confirm, your appointment will be tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Booking your appointment for tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. now. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Sheikh. Thanks again. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Thanks. Bye. So guys, this was our AI agent. As you can see, it's like acting like pretty like human. So if like a customer is in hurry, it like can't even notice this was an AI. So yes, so businesses are paying like over like $2,500 per month to like AI automation agencies. And also I am documenting the whole process of my own AI agency that I will be starting. So subscribe and like don't forget to check the description, because there all the information will be in the description. now for how can you sell these AI agents. So this is like pretty important step. So I have actually designing an ultimate AI lead generation agent. So, but there are so like on your screen you can see this is the AI agent that I have been building, which scrapes the leads from Apollo. So, like in the input, like this won't work right now, but I will just show you how like this is. So if you also want a video on this, I will create just do 5 comments. So here the lead generation system, so like this will not work right now because as you can know, I can tell you, because the Apify is currently removed all the Apollo scrapers, and if you scrape from the original Apollo website, it's like pretty expensive. It's like too expensive, and as Apify also gives $5. So in the search term you can like write receptionist receptionist and in location, so just add USA and scraper. So I have like testing different options. So like here you can see I have like Apollo but Apify currently unavailable. So I have also Google search, but I have been testing different things out to make it work, but it will not work. So like you could see like here it will get an error. I can even show you why it's getting errors here. So like if like this my lead generation agent like works anytime, so now here it should get an error. Yes, as you can see, actor was not found because the Apify just removed all the Apollo actors due to a technical like issues going on, but whenever this will work I will make a video on this, and you could and I will also give provide you the template of this lead generation agent in like the next video, or when the Apollo will be available on the Epify. So as you can see I have been testing different things out with the Google scraper, but from the Google scraper the like quality of the leads are like not as like competitive as on the Apollo scrapers. So yeah, this, so I could literally show you how the like quality of leads that these my AI agent of lead generation generates. So like look at this. Now this I like just for the demo of this AI lead generation agent, I like just created the real estate agent in California, and look at this how like this creates. So this like take the first name, last name, headline, and the company they work in, job title, what is the job, and it also scrapes the agent company website, research it like perform a company research, get the email addresses of like the company, and also extract the LinkedIn URL, and the most importantly it write a personal AI personal cold email. So as you can see on the screen, it writes a personalized message to like Eric, and you like don't even like do anything for this agent. So this is a like pretty important agent, and companies are like paying more than $1,500 for this agent. So this was enough for this video. This was enough for today's video. I hope that you guys can understand how you guys can like create and like sell AI voice agent. But as soon as the Apify allows the Apollo scrapers, I will make a video as quickly as possible and will give you the free template. And don't forget to check the description out because it is pretty important. So this was it today for today's video.